Hey journalers, this is the official guidebook for Japan's biggest stationery festival, Bungu Joshi Haku, happening in Yokohama from December 18 to 21st. It costs 2,300, around 15 US dollars, and it's worth it because it includes the full event map and a complete list of event-only exclusive products. If you're planning to attend, this is basically your planning must-have. It's also special because it's only released about 1 month before the event. This one came out on November 18th and the print run is very limited. They tend to sell out quickly, so it's almost like a collectible for stationery fans. And the best part, this guide comes with 4 official limited edition gifts inside. So let's open it up and see what's inside. These gifts are a special collaboration between the famous creator Obi-Wan and 3 Japanese brands, Maruman, Antelic, and Pentel. Okay, first up, we have this Maruman Ring notebook. Let's just take a moment to admire how cute these characters are on the cover. I love it so much. Maruman is a long-established brand in Japan, really well known for their high-quality paper, and this one is a custom B6 size notebook, 138 by 182, with this exclusive Obi-Wan design. And they even added a rubber band closure, which makes it super practical if you want to use it as a little journaling notebook on the go. Okay, so next is this tiny Maruman miniature sketchbook. It's a mini version of their classic sketchbook, such a cute little collector's item. I think it'll look adorable as a charm on your planner, pencil case, or even on your backpack. Then we get 2 different pens, which is amazing. The first one is this Antelic Cap Knock Gel Pen in 0.5 millimeters. Antelic is a brand that focuses a lot on comfort and functionality, and this pen has a really interesting feature. Instead of the usual top clicker, the cap itself works as the knock. It's a neat little twist on a classic design and just one of those fun details that makes it feel a bit special. And by the way, one cool detail is that the text on this pen actually matches the Bungu Joshi theme perfectly. It says outfit of the day, and since this year's theme is all about enjoying stationery like fashion, it's a perfect match. And the last gift is this Pentel Flow Tune Gel Pen, also in 0.5 millimeters. Pentel is a classic brand that a lot of us already know. They're famous for their super smooth gel ink. Because this pen comes inside the official guide, this particular cute barrel design is most likely an event exclusive, so it's not something you can just walk into a regular store and buy. It's a nice little bonus for people who picked up the magazine. So the theme is all about the thrill of choosing and enjoying stationery like fashion. It's about personal style and expression and making your stationery choices fun, like styling an outfit. This guide will really help you get ready in advance. You can check which booths you want to visit first and mark down your must-buy items. The expo can feel overwhelming because there are so many people and so many booths and so many options, so looking through this guide beforehand will help you save time and really enjoy the event instead of feeling rushed. Alright, so here's what I want to share with you all. This is the Bungu Joshi original stationery that you can only get at the event. Honestly, I like this theme even better than the previous one. It's got this super girly pink vibe that I really love. Now, when it comes to what I'm planning to buy, I have a lot on my wish list, but let me highlight a couple of the top items. First, there's a collaboration between Campus and Roll Band, which are both super popular here in Japan. The idea of them teaming up is really exciting to me, and I definitely want to grab one of their notebooks, especially this color. I'm also a big bundle lover, and this time they have a limited edition that's different from last time. In Yokohama, everything looks so pretty and I'm really into their new limited items. Another cool thing is the Deco Rush tape decoration. It's not a limited item, but it's a kind of pre-sale, so if you attend the event, you get early access before it's available to the public. So there's a lot I'm eyeing, and I'll definitely be posting an event report. We got lucky with a premium ticket for December 17, which means we'll get first access to everything a day early. I'll try to upload the video as soon as I'm back so you can see it all before things sell out. And lastly, just a few tips on the event. There are a few things you can't do. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to stay updated on all these popular events in Japan, especially around Tokyo, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you won't miss next vlog. And if you're coming to Japan, I hope you find all the stationery goodies you're looking for. Plus, if you get a chance to pick up this magazine, you can find it in bookstores here. Hopefully, it's still in stock when you look. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye!